Hey everyone. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a really exciting topic: how to make easy money in 2025. This is going to be an in-depth guide, so make sure to grab a cup of coffee, take some notes, and stick around till the end because we've got tons of strategies to cover. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and feel free to share it with your friends who are also looking for ways to increase their income this year. So without further ado, let's get into it. Chapter 1. Understanding the economic landscape in 2025. Let's start by looking at the current market situation in 2025. Over the past few years, we've seen some major shifts in the economy due to the pandemic, the rise of remote work, and the digital transformation of nearly every industry. In 2025, we're seeing a strong focus on digital economies. The gig economy is bigger than ever, and there are so many new opportunities for people to make money online. Whether you're looking to start a business, invest, or find a side hustle, the opportunities are out there, and I'm going to walk you through the best ways to take advantage of them. Chapter 2. The gig economy. The easiest way to start making money. One of the easiest ways to start making money in 2025 is by joining the gig economy. Whether you have specific skills or just a few hours a week, there's something out there for you. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, Fiverr, and Upwork have seen huge growth. More people than ever are turning their spare time into money, and if you're looking for an easy entry point, this is where you should start. Let me give you an example. I know someone who started driving for Uber on weekends. At first, it was just for extra cash, but over time, he was able to scale it up and turn it into a full-time income stream. With flexible hours and no boss to answer to, the gig economy offers incredible freedom and the chance to start earning quickly. Now, if you're skilled in writing, design, or coding, consider offering your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can start with small projects and gradually build a reputation that leads to higher-paying gigs. In fact, there are people earning six figures just from freelancing. One key strategy is to focus on building reviews in the beginning. You might have to charge lower rates at first, but once you have a portfolio and some 5-star reviews, you can charge premium prices for your work. Chapter 3. Investing. The power of compound interest. Now, let's talk about investing. It might sound intimidating, but it's one of the best ways to build wealth over time. In 2025, you don't need to be a millionaire to start investing. Even with small amounts, you can take advantage of the power of compound interest and grow your wealth steadily. One of the safest and easiest ways to get started is by investing in index funds or ETFs. For example, the S&P 500 is a popular index fund that tracks the top 500 companies in the US over time. The stock market tends to increase in value, and even with market fluctuations, those who invest for the long term typically see significant gains. A great example is Jack, a 25-year-old who started investing just $100 a month in an S&P 500 index fund 5 years ago. Today, his portfolio has grown significantly, thanks to compound interest. If you're wondering where to start, I highly recommend reading The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It's one of the best books out there on long-term investment strategies. Warren Buffett himself has called it one of the best books on investing. Chapter 4. Side hustles. Low-cost ways to boost your income. Let's talk about side hustles. In 2025, there are more opportunities than ever to make extra money on the side without quitting your day job. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking to earn some extra cash, side hustles are a low-cost way to start boosting your income. One of the most popular side hustles in 2025 is dropshipping. With dropshipping, you don't need to hold any inventory. Instead, you create an online store, using platforms like Shopify, and list products for sale. When someone makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. It's a low-risk business model that allows you to focus on marketing and sales without worrying about stock. Here's a real example. Sophie started a dropshipping store last year selling eco-friendly kitchen gadgets. She started with just $500 to set up the store and run some ads. Fast forward to today, and she's making $2,000 a month in profit. Another great side hustle is print on demand. If you're creative, you can design t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases and sell them through platforms like Teespring or Redbubble. Again, you don't need to worry about inventory. These platforms handle everything for you, from printing to shipping. And if you're good at writing or graphic design, you can start a side hustle on Fiverr or Upwork, offering your services to clients all over the world. People are always looking for content creation, logo design, and website building. Remember, side hustles are about finding what works for you and scaling it over time. Start small, but don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas until you find the one that brings in the most profit. Chapter 5. Passive income streams. Make money while you sleep. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite topics, passive income. Passive income is all about creating systems or investments that generate money for you without you having to actively work for it. One of the most popular ways to earn passive income in 2025 is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products, and whenever someone buys something through your link, you earn a commission. For example, if you're a blogger or YouTuber, you can sign up for Amazon Associates and include affiliate links in your content. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a small percentage of the sale. Karen, who runs a beauty blog, joined Amazon's affiliate program, and now she makes $1,000 a month just from people buying products through her links. It's a great way to monetize a blog or YouTube channel without having to create your own products. Another excellent passive income idea is real estate investing. Even though real estate requires an upfront investment, it can be a steady source of income over time. In 2025, more people are investing in rental properties or using platforms like Airbnb to make money from their homes or spare rooms. If you want to get into real estate but don't have a lot of capital, consider house hacking. This is where you buy a duplex or multi-family home, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rent from the other units can cover your mortgage, essentially allowing you to live for free. A classic finance book that talks about the importance of passive income is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It's one of the best books for understanding how to build assets and create income streams that work for you. Chapter 6. The Rise of Cryptocurrencies, a high-risk, high-reward opportunity. Now, let's talk about cryptocurrencies. In 2025, the crypto market continues to be one of the most volatile and high-reward opportunities for investors. If you're new to crypto, it's essential to start small and educate yourself. The two most well-known cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are still the dominant players, but new projects like Solana and Polkadot are growing fast in the DeFi, decentralized finance, space. DeFi is a game-changer because it allows you to earn interest, borrow, lend, and trade assets without relying on traditional banks. But remember, crypto is high risk and should only be a small part of your portfolio. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, I recommend The Bitcoin Standard by Saifedean Ammous. It's a great book that explains the history of money and why cryptocurrencies are the future of finance. Real-life example. Alice invested $500 in Bitcoin back in 2020. Fast forward to 2025, and that investment has grown by more than 300%. The crypto market is unpredictable, but if you're willing to take the risk, the potential rewards are significant. And that wraps up the first half of our video. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into even more strategies for making money in 2025, including stock trading, online businesses, and alternative investments.